You're watching Markets for You, daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from expert. I'm Yu Chang. First, the US dollar. The dollar traded mixed on Wednesday, weakening after traders pared back their holdings before the release of Fed's May meeting minutes, but then gaining particularly against the yen after the minutes came out. The greenback ended at 1.3686 to the euro and 101.36 to the yen. Today's data includes new jobless claims, which is expected to rise to 310,000, manufacturing PMI, which is forecast to rise a basis point to 55.5, and existing home sales, which is estimated to rise by 2.2% in May. Next, to the euro. The euro fell Wednesday after investors continued to bet on ECB further easing monetary policy at their June rate meeting. The single currency ended at 1.3686 to the dollar and 138.72 to the yen. Today's data includes Eurozone PMIs for both manufacturing and services, with both expected undershoot April's figures. British pound. The pound rose on Wednesday after data showed much higher than expected rise in retail sales in April, which is increased by the 7.7%. Sterling ended at 1.6898 to the dollar and 0.8097 to the euro. Today's data includes first quarter GDP results, which is expected to come out at 3.1% year-on-year and 0.8% quarter-on-quarter. Japanese yen. The yen traded mixed on Wednesday after early gains following the BOJ monthly rate meeting, which left policy unchanged, were given back following the release of Fed meeting minutes. Against the euro, the yen gained, but versus sterling, it fell after better than expected UK retail sales figure. The Japanese currency ended at 101.36 to the dollar and 171.27 to the pound. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.37, with targets at 1.364 and 1.362 in extension. Above 1.37, which will look for further upside with 1.372 and 1.3735 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long position above 1.6845, with targets at 1.6935 and 1.6970 in extension. Below 1.6845, which will look for further downside with 1.68 and 1.67 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long position above 101.05, with targets at 101.6 and 101.9 in extension. Below 101.05, which will look for further downside with 100.8 and 100.3 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chang, you'll be watching Markets for You. Have a great day.